Hello, it's Matt here from That Leisure Shop once again. Today we are looking at the Colapz freshwater trunk kit. Really simple little idea, made of silicone. You get this little funnel and this is designed to clip over the tap, so you can clip it on the tap and leave it there, then just attach the expanding hose onto the end. That expands, great noise, and that then feeds down from the tap, so this is locked on the tap, down into your water carrier. One I prepared earlier, true Blue Peter fashion. Pop that straight into your water carrier or your aqua roll, whatever, and just leave it to fill, hands-free, perfect. It even comes with the little kit. This is my favourite bit. It even comes with a little carry bag. And of course, the purpose of the bag is fresh water, so you want to keep this isolated from the grey water kit if you buy that as well. Pop it in the bag, pull the top, keeps it all nice and clean, absolutely brilliant. Colapz freshwater trunk kit, easy.